In this video, I'll show you how to delete a CrowdStrike Falcon update from your Windows computer. If you're looking to remove or roll back a problematic update, I'll guide you through some simple steps, so let's get started. Before proceeding, ensure you have administrator privileges on your computer. If you're part of a corporate network, you may need to contact your IT department for access. Now, stopping the CrowdStrike services will allow you to delete or modify files related to the update. Now, you will need to press Windows plus R button to open the Run dialog, and then type the services.msc and press Enter. In the services windows, after popping it out on your Windows, look for CrowdStrike Falcon Sensor. So, as you can see, I don't have CrowdStrike Falcon Sensor installed on my computer because it needs to be provided by your company. So, assumingly, I have a CrowdStrike Falcon Sensor installed on my computer. So, look for that, or if you can't find it, just simply look for CS Falcon service. Once you find that, right-click on the service and select Stop. If the option is grayed out, move on to the next step. Now for the second step is the open the File Explorer and then navigate the CrowdStrike installation directory to your C file. So go to Program Files and then search for CrowdStrike. Look for folders or files related to recent updates such as update.exe or patch files or folders with recent modification dates. And then after that, right click on the update file or folder and select delete. If you get an error saying the file is in use, restart your computer in safe mode. To enter safe mode, just click the Windows plus R key button and then type the misconfig and press enter. And then after that, go to the boot tab and check safe mode or safe boot. Click OK and then restart your computer. And then once in safe mode, navigate back to the CrowdStrike folder and delete the update files. Lastly, for a clearly registry entries, this is optional. For cleaning a removal for off update, you can also clear related entries from the Windows registry. Be careful when modifying the registry. So the same thing, press Windows R and then type regedit and press enter. So you will see there the hkill underscore local underscore machine, then slash software, and then CrowdStrike and updates. Right click on any update related entries and then select delete. After that, restart your computer to apply the changes. And then verify the removal, open the CrowdStrike Falcon console or check with your IT administrator to confirm the update has been removed. You can also verify that the update files no longer exist in the installation process or directory. And that's it. That's how you delete a CrowdStrike update from your computer or your Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.